Alright, time for another adventure with Toots because I am stuck at a receiver. There was an appointment snafu and I was only able to make part of my delivery today and I have to make the rest of it tomorrow morning, so I'm stuck here in Lansing, Michigan. No idea, never been here before, but I'm gonna go for a walk. There's a nature center that I found that's about 2 miles from where my truck is parked, and I'm trying to avoid using Lyft just to save some money, and I have perfectly good legs to walk. And so that's what I'm gonna do. Hopefully I don't run into any problems. I know there's not really much for sidewalks around here, so that's gonna be interesting. And it's snowing, and the roads I'm gonna be on look kind of like, might be kind of heavy in traffic, so it's gonna be a little treacherous, but damn it, I'm determined. I'm gonna go find myself some trees and stuff to walk in. So here we go. I'll let you follow along. See you in a little bit. All right, I'm all set to go. Got my bright hat on and my safety vest, and I have a blinky light on my back, like a bike light. And I also have my headlamp packed in case I end up coming back in the dark. And I'm wearing my work boots because it's wet and sloppy out, and I don't know if I'm gonna have to walk ditches. So I'm just wearing my work boots, and I'm just gonna plan on walking. And then I got a hood because it's snowing, and I think I'm all set to go. I'm thinking about maybe taking a bottle of water. I don't really want to carry it. We'll see. But anyway, I'm ready. Let's do this. So that's where I'm parked. Pretty snowy. And off I go. These snowflakes are flying directly into my eyeballs. Oh well, it's okay. I don't have much farther to go. I have arrived. Let's go find some trails. There's a cool old privy and this really cool old log house. And I think this glass is original. It's all got that real like wavy kind of old glass. You can see in there. Pretty snooty. Trudge through some snow here. Find a trail. Ah, here's one. I'll take it. No idea where I'm going. We'll figure it out. Look at this cool little spot. It's so pretty out here. Love it. So I actually just got back from my walk. My phone died. a little ways in, so I couldn't take any more pictures or video, and I was sad because there's a couple of really cool things that I wanted to take pictures of, but oh well. It was really nice. The snow was beautiful, and that little trail through the woods was great. What a nice little spot. So now I'm gonna get dressed in my pajamas. I'm gonna get warm and make some tea and have a snack and watch some TV, which is something I don't normally do when I'm out on the road. So I'm really excited. So thanks for coming with me, folks. I hope you enjoy the pictures and videos, and I'll see you next time.